Alright, so your launch is now live. One of the first things you want to do is notify your JVs and affiliates that you are now live and that they could send out an email to their subscribers. You'd also want to monitor things to make sure that things are running smoothly. Make sure that your website is loading up fine with all the traffic that it's getting, and make sure that customer questions are being responded to. Okay. You'd also want to continue to add new swipe emails throughout the week so that your affiliates have fresh new content that they could send out to their subscribers. And you'd also want to keep your affiliates up to date during the week. For example, you could give them updates on the stats, for example, the earnings per click or EPCs. Tell them how many units have been sold, so you could make them feel confident that hey, this offer does convert, and you could also update them on your contest, so you can motivate them to promote. You could also hold more mini contests during the week, especially if your offer is converting and you're generating a lot of cash and profits in your launch. You can afford to hold more mini contests throughout the week and motivate affiliates to promote, bring in more sales, and bring in more leads into your business. Okay, you could also see how you can improve conversions and make your offer more profitable for affiliates. For example, you could tweak the headline, offer more bonuses on the sales page, or offer another upsell. All right, so basically, you'll have all these excuses to contact your affiliates, motivate them to promote your launch.